Hi guys, so I'm gonna play ice cream truck, my ice cream truck. So yeah, name the truck. Okay. Hello. Okay. Let's see what they want. Okay. There we go. I played this game before, by the way. Making a video. Oh. Okay.
Like those?
Mhm.
Okay, you can eat it after you make a video.
Huh?
You can eat it after you make a video.
I know.
And I think it's old, but it don't matter.
Okay, well, be quiet because I'm making a video.
Doesn't get old if it's in the back.
So I just got some people. Okay, she wants 2 ice cream. She wants sprinkles and she wants that. Hello.
Oh, she was
How you doing today, lady?
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, bye.
Okay. I'm gonna get that down here.
Gotta restock on my cones. Okay, so let's see what she wants. Okay, she wants that. I don't want to turn it down just a tad. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so she wants this. You want... That's good. Okay, there you go. Restock on those spoons. Hello. I gotta wait on the spoons. Oh no, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Restock, restock. Restock. There you go. You're welcome. I leveled up. Yay. Okay. Next. Ooh, new products. Dang. Okay. Okay. I need to get more coins. Yeah, I need to restock soon. Hi. In that slang voice. Now I need to get some, like, cream on y'all's. If you... Oh, you want double chocolate? You'll have to wait for a minute. Hi. Everything I want has to restock. Ugh, here you go. No, you want a spoon too? F you. Okay. Are you serious? I can go ahead and get hers ready. Nope, I can't. Well, at least she wants icing. Whipped cream, whatever. If y'all can't hear me, I'm sorry. Now let's just see here what you want. There you go. Hi. Nope. Okay. No ads. Okay. Got that much coin. Okay, let's see what I can buy. Ooh. Okay, I can't buy anything right now. No, okay. New products. I'm gonna work towards that. Of course. Oh, the spoons. Oh, dang it. Bro, you gotta be kidding. What do you want? No, that's chocolate. I'm gonna get cones down here. Oh my gosh, look at this. What do you want? You want whipped cream? Yeah, thank you. Thanks for joining. You probably want strawberry, don't you? Yep. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, guys. Lexi, don't bring that cat in here.
She's a little girl there.
There you go, man. Hello. No, oh, okay. Only do 10 minutes of this video. Vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, spoon. There you go. This game's addicting. There you go, restart. I'll pause. Okay, I'm back. Can I buy anything? Yes, I can. Blender. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Sorry. Let's see, he wants a milkshake. I really don't know how to make one. How do you make milkshakes? Oh, okay. Oh. I'm dumb. What? I'll go ahead and get your cone. You had one? Okay. I had to figure out how to make them, okay? Yours is gonna be good, okay? I promise. Minus something. Hi, lady. Okay, what you want? You want some? No, you want strawberry, chocolate chips, and a spoon. Yours is coming, lady, so don't leave, okay? Hi. Okay, hold on. This lady is nice. You want... Yours is coming. You don't want that. Oh, crap. One more. Oh my god, 56 coins? This is kind of sad. Hurry up and blend. It's taking too long. There you go. Thank you for coming. I'll make it a little bit longer, not 10 minutes, okay? I got $9. Okay. Oh, there's so much stuff I want so bad. I'll make it 15. Oops, sorry. I'll make it 15 minutes. This is so sweet. Oh, the default one's awesome. Okay. I found the default one, actually. But what is this? Oh. Yeah, the default one. I don't want it. No, I don't want none. Let's see what I can get here. Ew. No, okay. Okay, that's okay. 15 minutes. I only have 16 coins. Dang, that's sad. Hi. No, I'm just being patient and just waiting on them. Yeah. Of course, everyone wants vanilla. Jeez. You want a vanilla smoothie? Okay, so you want an ice cream cone. Okay, hurry up. There you go. You want that? Yeah. What you want? Hey. I don't want to start. Oh, okay. We whipped cream. What you want? Same thing. I'm sorry, I forgot. I forgot you wanted whipped cream. Okay, I'm sucking at this so bad. I forgot he wanted whipped cream. This is the last girl, right here. Last girl. You want whipped cream? Can't forget. There you go. Oops. Nope. Yay, I got a lot of money this time. The next thing I want to get, everything I want so bad. Okay, kind of want to get the raspberry syrup, okay? I'm going to try to get that, okay? I'll play one more round, and I'll see if I can get the raspberry syrup. Alright. The smoothies take so long. Hello. I need to restock on spoons. I'm so dumb. The spoons take so long to restock. Did they restock? Yeah, they did. Okay. Hi. I got your smoothie. Okay, girl. There you go. Oh, the whipped cream, of course. Restock that. That's nice. Yeah, bye, Felicia. Hope you don't want vanilla, cause too bad. Girl, please wait. I don't know, can you? You want one of those too? That did wrong. Just a moment, please, ladies and gentlemen. Rub it in your face. Thank you for coming. Yep. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna end the episode here, and I'll work on this off camera, and I'll see if I can get some more stuff. So bye, hope you enjoy, leave a like and subscribe.